you please tell us a story?
I have been living in Jakarta for some months now, and I can vividly tell you that the city's hot weather is massive. So I decided with Inda and Abinaya to get away from Jakarta for a few days to a neighboring city with rich nature and a cold weather. This city is approximately 2 hours drive from Jakarta, and it's called Puncak, Bogor City. So guys, we just arrived in a hotel right now, so about to check in. So we are heading to Chibodas Park. One of the tour guide here just told us that this is just a small waterfall, that there are still like the bigger waterfall up there. There is a lot of monkeys jumping around from one branches to another. Oh, take a look. Did you see that sound? Let's get closer. So guys, I just walked 500 meters from the previous place I showed you guys about the monkeys. So right now we are heading to the waterfall. So 500 meters left to get to our final destination. So let's keep going. Okay. This is Inda, and Abby is ahead of Inda. So they are doing good so far. Abby, wait for me. Yeah. Abby, I was thinking, I was thinking maybe we should climb to that mountain. What do you think? Not cool. What, you're scared or what?
No, because if we have we slide. Yeah.
There's no slide, it's just mountain, we just climb.
Be careful the lava.
The lava? There's no lava here, this is just a small mountain. You're not interested? Alright, I'll go alone then. He's not interested. Definitely I'm gonna go alone. So guys, we already walked out for 750 meters, then 250 meters left to the destination. Oh! So mom, what do you have to say? Are you tired or what?
Tired but excited.
Say, what?
Excited!
Exciting, oh. So we're almost there. When I get there, I'll show you the amazing what?
Amazing what?
Amazing. Where
amazing race.
Where we going? Amazing what?
Waterfall.
Yeah, amazing waterfall. Actually, guys, she couldn't make it. So I have to do the tough job here. Please, guys, I need some help. Abby, please. Mama is too heavy. Mama is too heavy. I need some help. She couldn't make it. Okay, we're almost there. 100 meters to go. Abby, you're not helping me. What are you doing?
I help you.
Okay, guys, we're almost there. 50 meters ahead. 50 meters, then we get to our destination. Actually, if you can notice, there is a difference between this, this view you're seeing right now than the previous view I was using. Actually, this camera right here, the battery just got dead. So now I'm using my GoPro to finish up the whole thing. This one is moving.
No.
This one.
No.
What about this one? Oh. No. I got myself. Almost there. Ooh.
Yeah, you did it. Oh yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for helping me. We're almost there. Are you excited to see the swimming pool? Oh!
No.
Oh! That was so close.
What?
So close.
So close what?
So close to fall down.
So close to down like this.
Yeah, you didn't. You're a big boy. I know. You're strong.
Yeah, but my keeping.
What happened to your ikebe?
Nothing.
Alright, so what do you think about the waterfall? Are you excited?
Yeah.
We're almost there.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go fast. They're waiting for us. Yeah, easy. No, don't run. You know, it's too rocky. There's a lot of rock here. Don't run too much. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Okay. You're doing it. Cool. Do you need my help?
Yeah.
You can do it. You can do it on your own. Yeah. We did it.
Huh?
Whoa, we did it.
Yeah,
We did it.
Oh,
She's already here. She got here first. Take a look at this amazing waterfall. We just got here and we did it. Shout out to Abinaya. Shout out to beautiful Inda. Okay guys, now let's come to the meantime. Let's come to the main thing. Here is the waterfall. Oh. We are done from here, so we're about to head back. The adventures continues tomorrow. Beautiful Inda decided to do some Zumba steps for us. Let me give her a quick 1 minute video shoot. Again. So we're just done with the Zumba shot. So we're about to head to our hotel right now. Guys, that's the end of my story for now. If you want to watch the part 2 of this video or other videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. You can as well check out my Instagram to see the beautiful pictures we snap in this city. I will see you on the next one. Peace.